Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Danger. It's your boy sitting in traffic. It's definitely not quite hot enough that I shouldn't be wearing a jacket, but here we are. Oh well. I thought I would make today's video about my GoPro Hero 10 and the settings I use for motovlogging and why I use those settings. And I also have other videos with different settings you can go check out so you can go see the differences and stuff like that. So I'm going to put my settings up on the screen right here. I do mostly record in 2.7K 60. I do 2.7K because personally I find 4K to be a little overkill. I can still zoom in and have decent quality on this. Obviously not as good as 4K, but it works. I do 60 frames a second so that if I want to do a little slow motion in my video, I can cut the frame rate in half and then export the video at 30 FPS. Sometimes I export my videos in 30, sometimes 60. There really isn't much of a difference. Like when you're watching them, you can't really notice any difference. 60 takes a little longer to load and I'm impatient, but like sometimes I'll do 60, sometimes 30 if I'm feeling like I want to get it done quicker. And sometimes even 24 frames a second. It's not really any noticeably different watching the video. Sorted. Now for the smoothness settings, I like to go with a low standard. I like to do standard. I did do a video where it was like on either boost or hyper smooth, and I didn't care for it. It almost seemed robotic the way the screen would move to combat movement. It was just kind of unnatural. I didn't care for it. I think personally the standard version does excellent. Like, I mean, I'm on a bike, I'm bouncing a good bit, and I mean, look at this video, guys. Look at it. It's not bad at all. There's also horizon leveling, which I keep off. I don't see the point in it. Like, if I were to turn my head a little bit, I can. It doesn't force the video to look straight. Man, I like this road. So yeah, if I just want to get sideways, I can. These are the settings I use. They don't have to be everyone's settings for every motovlog. Better f***ing watch yourself. But it's just what I do personally. Also, I did record in 4K 60 for a while, but buffering that video was kind of a pain on my laptop. I'd have to cut the playback quality like dramatically down for it to be moderately smooth. And also it just took a lot longer to work with. And like, yeah, I could do it, but again, I'm impatient, didn't feel like it. But yeah, what you're watching now is 2.7K, so. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to make this video about, was kind of explaining the settings I use and why. And if you guys have any questions or want to know any other settings I use, just let me know. And for this video, I'm not going to put a filter over it. It's going to be straight out of the camera. But there are certain filters I use on my other videos. I'll cycle through a few of them here. But yes, I do use filters on some of my videos, so if you've ever noticed why some of them look different, or if you've even paid attention to that, that's why. I like to throw a filter over it in post-production. Nothing in the camera though. But yeah, that is all I got for you guys today. So I'll catch you next time. Birdie! Always remember, the GoPro settings are adjustable, and you might need different settings for different types of videos. So play around with it, have fun, enjoy the things you create. Peace out, guys.